Normal toothbrushes are kind of boring. So today, I'm going to turn a regular toothbrush into an electric one. The first thing that I'm going to need is a motor. Not this one. I'm not doing this the boring way. I am taking the whole toothbrush and connecting it directly to a powerful 12-volt motor. To do that, I 3D designed an adapter to fit the toothbrush into one side and the motor shaft into the other. The first one I made did not fit the toothbrush. The hole was too big. So I tried again. And it cracked. On the third try, the toothbrush fit tight enough that it probably wouldn't kill me when I turned it on. So I attached it to the motor. To power it, I will use this adjustable voltage DC supply where I can change the speed of the motor. Let's turn it on. It works. Now let's try 12 volts. I'm not putting this thing anywhere near my mouth. It seems a bit more like a power tool than a toothbrush. How dangerous is this thing? Can it launch a cup? Your toothbrush should not be able to do that. What can it do to a bigger plastic bucket? It seems like it would be better at boxing than cleaning your teeth. So, does this toothbrush remove plaque? Yes. Would it remove your teeth? Also yes. Would it be a good product? No, definitely not. It's only good at doing two things: doing nothing or making your dentist look like this.